Hey there, fellow Dashers. Welcome to this quick guide on how to master DoorDash pickups. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your process, I've got you covered in this step-by-step walkthrough. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you're all set up. Download the DoorDash Dasher app if you haven't already, and log in with your account. This is your gateway to earning money on the go. Once you're in, browse the available orders and look for those with a pickup option. When you spot one that suits you, simply swipe to accept it, easy as that. Now, it's time to hit the road. The app provides clear navigation to the restaurant, so follow those directions to get there quickly and safely. Remember, being prompt means better ratings and more tips, so drive responsibly. Arriving at the restaurant, head inside and approach the counter. Politely let the staff know you're a Dasher picking up an order. Say something like, "Hi, I'm here for a DoorDash pickup for customer's name." Don't forget to show your Dasher ID from the app. It's a quick scan or display that verifies you're legit. While you're there, take a moment to inspect the order. Check that all items are included, the bags are sealed properly, and everything looks fresh. If anything's missing or incorrect, kindly point it out to the staff. They're usually happy to fix it right away. Once you have the order in hand, you're good to go. The app will update automatically, guiding you to the next step, which is delivery. Pro tip: always be courteous to restaurant staff. A smile goes a long way and can lead to smoother future pickups. There you have it. That's how to nail a DoorDash pickup like a pro. It might seem straightforward, but these steps can make your dashing experience faster and more efficient. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your own experiences. Thanks for watching, and happy dashing. See you in the next video.